Boy, Swiss Lee, you need help to us. You need all of help, man. Because today I say talk about you love world dog. And you're loyal. Sometimes if you know what loyalty is, you know, before you run on with that something here every day. And I try to be loyal. Yeah, and cause it clear to me. Say world dog. Yo, when we used to watch them live, when World Dog and Swiss Lee used to do it, World Dog spend most of the time across the Swiss Lee team. Swift Lee or Swiss Lee, I don't even know any name. But World Dog spend most of the time and across in team. And I saying team this, in team that, and I think film team maybe team bless. Never really follow it up much because I don't really understand how it works. And all I know so then they pan across each other. You know, they could who bad mind and who fi turn off comment section and who fi do this and who fi do that and who not rare and who not raw. And I say, you know, so that's what me not look good. That's what me I look like say they must start kill each other, you know. That's what me I look like say that go turn into a something they call name, you know, war. Me I say me not like how it look. It don't look good to me. Cause them man I look like them take us something serious. And remember say man like me come from Montego Bay, you know. And me watch scamming, coming. And me watch whole heap of my friend them dead off. Whole heap of them. That's why, yo, you know, one thing me glad to me never do is scam. You understand? Because me believe say men get involved in them something there. But I never there so today. But I never there so today because them something there like anyway money there in Jamaica always problem. Always because you have man over there so they do the same thing and then start kill each other. I mean I look on a TikTok something and I say you know say it look like I see them blood clot thing go start reach them man yeah. The only thing with them free there, you know, are the internet, you know. I through everything that happen on the internet. That's why you see no man not really, you know. And that's why no man not really get damaged yet, you know. Because them afraid of the internet because they don't know how to hide it. You see if I wear something which part them can't hide. And the blood clot here, say man. The amount of them will floor a long time. The amount of them will lead on right now. Because Jamaican don't like the Jamaican rice. And Swiss Lee start blow up. And everybody start gravitate to him and you know, people start coming by now, a World Dog, me think bring him to the front, you know. A World Dog, bring him out there and say, yo, do it. Come here with me, come do it. And the man named start a long time. I say it, I want a video say, I bet say two of them soon start fight. I'm not gonna say it again, you know. I'm not gonna say it again. Look out for Jeffrey and Walk and Talk. Look out for Jeffrey and Walk and Talk. And them to the next. Cause me know what the man them can't live good, but the man them can't. It's no a base, it's no they fall in man. It's no they fall from yesterday till now. Out of the cold. Pierce, you know man, I tell you. And it's not like the like the dry snow. I'm more like the wet one. I know snow like it's like not say dry as in dry, you know, but you have the snow like you know, cold enough to just be snow. But this one here, a snow with little bit of ice in it, with little bit of water. That's because minus a +5 right now. If you went there -2, I would have straight snow. But if you look out that door, you know. If you're an idea of +5, even minus even 0.5 right now. So when they are 0.5, you know, cold enough to really turn, you know, if you just have like the snow there with part, you know, wet your skin. But this is one blood clot of water and snow mixed together. And I fall in your neck back and then something. I mean, I like it, man. I feel away, man. It's cold. I don't really like it. I like when it's snow, you know, you just fall and just be snow. You go to the door right now, your shoes wet up. You tap your night right now, your shoes wet up. But anyway, I say the man them a do them thing and I say, you know, so that's something that don't look good. Them man look like say them ready to start kill each other, you know. And them about to kill each other anytime now. I see it then. I tell them Mrs. Swiftly on one live. I ball out how much in love Real Dog and Real Dog, me love you. Real Dog a one bad mind bomber ass clad boy. Real Dog, you can see the bad mind on the man face. The bad mind just sit down on him face so. Like right now the bad mind just spread out. You understand? Cause it's like Real Dog get a little bit jealous and him a say, Bombard, and me bring Swiftly come forward man and look man the man come past me. Cause I see Swiftly on some big yacht and them something, you know, man. You know? Like Real Dog don't like that. Like Real Dog don't like. I'm pretty done. Why? Yo, we don't take on a character, you know. And you know if you make it on the internet, you have to have some kind of character. You understand? If you just talk, it don't really help. You understand? If you come and just talk, you have to have some kind of excitement towards your entertainment. Them call it entertainment. Me call it mentally blood clot illness. But you see how pretty than a behave on the internet, like a mad woman, mad blood clot woman. Sooner or later that is going to become a thing. You understand? And you're going to have people that go along. You soon have another pretty than. You soon are going to have a next pretty than. Real Dog. You soon have a next one like him. I might have Mrs. Swiftly kind of copy a lot from him. You understand? So the way how people make money nowadays is like, I say, bumbo clot, and look on the work what we are doing. Look on the work what me I do. If you make $1. You understand? The car, them want a blood clot drive. If we not go out in a sea, go blood clot, go dig aisle. You understand? You can't drive. And them man, them something unfair, you know. This blood clot unfair. Because them man, they make way more money than we. Them man are sitting in their house, a ball out, then throat, and I make more money than we. And now we have to go out in a blood clot ocean. You understand? If you go work for oil rig, for drill blood clot, and one that turn over, everybody dead. One rig turn over. Only go type in Alexander. The rig will turn over. Only go just type in Alexander rig. I want to see when a blood clot rig turn over. Oh, that blood clot, not survive. Alright, some of them survive. I never everybody dead, but most of them dead. Most of them dead. You understand? And the job what we are do for risk for your life. It come like count these days. Yeah, we know so we have with insurance and with pension and with this and with that and rare. You understand? But how long before these social media thing become normal job? Where people ball out and hey, me I tell you man, human being come like sheep, you know, man. The people them sit down in front of them computer screen. I'll try it more and do it too, you know. Cause if I saw them I get rich, me have to get rich too. And people sit down and just say taps and roses, and I buy this. And I just hype, you know, it's just all about hype. It's just all about hype, you know. Over team broke and over team rich, and them use some kind of psychological warfare or some mental manipulation to make the other team buy, because it's all about hype. What you do for my team if you can't hype up my thing? You understand? You're broke. I'll be a broke people upon your team. And them start taps and roses. When we go over there, I see Gage. Big artist Gage over there. You want to come on me here, man? My artist Gage. The same Gage was sing down in a throat. What make you all away feel good down from our back. You all away lump and blood clot back and turn up and feel good. When Gage goes to bumps and tell girls sit down in a throat and every girl want go blood clot, risk cocky and dance. And what you say, man? We'll love that. Because you all away feel good. And when you look on that blood clot, you see Gage over there, so talented Gage. One time I made think about do a little bit of music, do a little music thing, but you know, look like that's gonna work out right now because if Gage with so much talent, they over that blood clot, they talk about team and taps and roses. Beenie Man not the for man. Beenie Man and Bounty Killer not the for. Them down the for. You understand? How long before Bounty and Beenie start taps and roses? Why you call it entertainment, but me I look on you and I say, fool no pitting them are going to become zombie. Fool no pitting them are going to definitely, because fool no pit them there in the background and watch you know. A taps and roses, taps and roses. And I say, you stay there, me buy my house. But me really have to wonder if them are going to survive. If them are going to make it, if them are going to be able to... Me I wonder if them are going to be able to, like, them pitting them are going to, like, you know, survive from that something here. Because this is all the kids them know right now today. This is all them know. Them don't know nothing more. You understand? Them don't have no education. Them don't have no medication. Them don't have no, well, them left vacation outside. You understand? Them just mental right now. And program well proper for taps and roses. You understand? I mean, I wonder, like, when them pitney as long and watch them parents do that, and them parents tell them say this put food on the table, them are going to grow up. I want to talk to Martha and I tell Martha, say, yo, Martha, this blood clot generation is over. Our generation, the millennium, are the last generation. We don't. After this generation, there is no more. After this generation, there is no more. You understand? A machine I go start go out of the ocean, go blood clot dig oil. A machine I go set up them electrical something there. And if the machine don't make them and send them out there, we just are going to live in a darkness because you're not going to really have nobody much people who know these things. Because right now, I see now where they cry. Now where the country of welding. You don't know the amount of weld that were birthed in Norway. I talk about some of the best of the best welder them. And now where them used to come from. Right now we can't find a welder to save their life. Me the Polish them and say, oh, you talk about my youth? If we leave Norway right now economy collapse because we alone. Polish people I brag and I say them I run Norway economy because Norwegian kids them stuck on the phone. Them not taps and roses like they were picking them, but them depending on watch how long before them join the party. Them are privileged fitness, so them have a whole heap of thing. But me can't believe say me would have never grow him work so hard, Zane, and do the risky job them where me can lose my life. And then I go take my hard-earned blood clot money and take and give it to Swiftly or Real Dog or Rebel. Rebel look good, you know? Rebel look good, you fuck. Hey, you look so good, man. Rebel look good, your blood clot. Boy, Rebel, me don't know, me just love you. But I would never give you $1 for taps and roses. You understand? I would never give you $1 for taps and roses. No. That now go something there, man. That now go happen. You understand? Me can't understand it. Me cannot understand because people just sit down and just you know, do one them if you don't enjoy it, you don't enjoy it, you know. You don't enjoy that blood clot because if me ever get an Instagram, what they call it, TikTok, what can taps and roses, me gone over that bumbo clot because at this say happen, man. What really going on here? What is really going on here? We people just sit down. No, but me like work, man. Me like go work and make things. Me don't like me don't want to sit down in my house the whole day. You know? And I wait for people to go work and come back and give me their money. Me love what I do, you know. Me love you know so I make no money, but I never get $1 from me a bumbo lad. Not 1 red cent. Suck on the mama. I'm a madman. I'm not slug in the yard. All day and me go work and bring my money come go, no? I better not go on a blood clot. Let man be that. Me go work. Look at them and snow you one man if you go out, you know. And then me no go work and you come tell me say taps and roses. Hey, me see a girl then I want blood clot, little skimpy blouse, you know, man. Where our nipper almost a show. On the same TikTok something, you know, man. Girl ugly like sin, you know. The girl ugly like blood clot sin, but the girl use the filter to filter out her thing, you know. To make you look like you're alright. And she depend the, but she have a nice body. She have a body. And the girl blood clot depend that the man and me I tell her say, yo, the amount of blood clot. Some people cuss her. Some people say she ugly. Some people say she this. Some people say she that. Some people say Ray Ray. But them still a blood clot. Taps and roses. And she a brush her teeth. Me never see somebody take about 3 hours to brush them teeth. And to get ready. To go, to eat something with them. To go to bed. And the woman tease them with a little piece of nipper. And when she brush her teeth, she shaky. And make the breast them shake and everybody stay so. All me stay so. I see if me can see one of them drop out. Because I want to see one nipple drop out. Yo, I love to see a nipple drop out. See me here? I watch if you like 1 hour straight to Bumbuckler and not one nipple drop out. Not one. And I watch it. I mean, I say, well, I was glad. I don't phone up this, man. This is TikTok. They not show them something up on TikTok. You better go over X then. But you know see how people mental different nowadays because when you go at X, right, you can see everything. You know, nobody no hide nothing over there, so you can see anything. At Drake, me see what somebody post so I'm sitting over at Drake and them have the, you know, like the eggplant. Which part him and there. And you can see clear see a back Drake a back in face, you know. And then me see him NBA young boy and the whole of them I mock him. Everybody out there mock him now. I mean I look at him and I say blood clot. But X free, so that's so now nobody don't really care. Nobody now go slung and watch no video on X, you know, cause every nipple out. You understand? Every pussy out, every cocky out, everything out over there. So. But when you come on Instagram or TikTok, it's not allowed. So something in your head that tell you say, no man, them are going to show one little piece. Them are going to show, them not show nothing. Them not show nothing. You understand? But the way how it look like it going to happen. So you did wait to see it happen. Nah happen. And people pay for that. I mean I say, is this desperation? Is this desperation or the man are just blood clot on it? I was really a go on because yo, me don't know how it work. I don't know how this thing work. But all me know is so me see the man them over there. And some of people they buy big whale. Some people they buy lion, some buy tiger, some buy alligator, some buy universe. A big things them over there buy. I mean I say, hold on there. People go to work and that's the part that me can't understand. You go to work. And you can't pay your bills. No found a ball, so you can't pay your bills. But you know what look good in the comment section. On the taps and rows. And buy a wally for this and wally for that. That's a madness. That's a blood clot madness. This remind me of the people them where you know the liquor box them when they used to have back in the days. When them put in the liquor, you know, the penny in it or a kind in it, and then the liquor man start dance, you know, in the box. And then, you know, the money done, and then you have to put in one more. That's how I see human being. I see a girl from Africa where get famous. And if fear pitney grow up and become a normal pitney, may I tell you, God is real. No, seriously, if fear pitney grow up to become a normal child, God is real. I tell you that. Because this girl never out of character. She just stay in a character. Yeah. And them have some little robot wear them settings. And it thing just look a weird embarrassing. Because if I see my daughter do that day, no matter how much money she come in with, man, I go say, yo, give me a thing out right now, but me don't like how you look, you know. Me don't like how you look. You understand? Me don't like how you make people clown you. You understand? And them make money, so they can't stop because they make money. And I wonder, you know, I wonder if China have a plan. I wonder if China have a plan for that something here. Because if China make a apps give way and everybody stuck in the apps, you know, because I don't really go on here often like that, you know, and like one time gone, you know. I go on every now and again. But me mostly they are X. Because over X now you see real thing. You don't see nothing with no robot and, you know, them foolish there. You see real thing. I spend most time on X and YouTube. But I can't understand people. I can't understand how that's something at work because everybody a zombie right now. Everybody a zombie. And everybody want to be influencer. Everybody want to be influencer on social media. Because money depend, you know. Money depend, and all you have to do I just say some things in the right way. And some people buy that. All you have to do. You know, you have to have the knowledge, you know. You understand? All you have to do is just say it the right way. And make people say, look, lad, you might talk something with sense. And everybody go down them billboard and start buying. Everybody. You understand? But in a free culture now, we don't really deal with educational stuff. Anything we have to learn from that boring answer. That boring. I want to hear about who for you know, crease a show on phone, who for body a jump off, and who for breast big and over, you know, and all kind of bullshit. You understand? Cause when we look all upon, when people see all rebel them and swiftly them, all them come out and I buy big car and big house and they pan yacht and big things and I say, eh. And look up and roll dog big GLE and them something there. And them I say, blood clot, look you know no man. You know what I say? At TikTok them man I buy this offer. Me I go up on TikTok too, you know. And then they on TikTok I tap and roses you fuck. And I try to build them thing and them go over there and them join live and them spend hours on that. Hours. From I come back from offshore, me can't. I want to edit a video, I want to make a video, I want to do a podcast, but I don't have no time. Because obviously I work I come from. And I drive, so that means I'm the offshore. I get back at my normal job. And from I come back, I want to do some work, but I never get no time. I never get no time. Still I see I know. And I say, blood, clear the time. I run out for me, man. Because I want to make some video, man. I want to make some podcast, me a matter. But me I tell you, all Nissan tap and drive. But me never they come next week. Next about 2 weeks from now. So hopefully when me never come, he can go take you up on a test drive in a Sinoya. And if he feel like he can crash it bumbo clot, he can get rid of it. Once him come out alive, once him come out and him alright. Like my mother will kill me, you know. Mother one, no, me have top chat fuckery, you know. Cause true, you know, he just come to me, cause my sister tell me say, he just getting license. I'm have to teach him to drive, so I say, glad I right time. We just have to find out if we come out alive. Once we come out alive, cause I don't mind crash the Nissan there. I don't mind get rid of it. Cause that car give problem your fuck. I wouldn't mind me just wake up one morning and me no see it. Somebody just gone with it. You understand? I feel them problem now. Or it just catch a blood clot fire at the right place at the right time. So nobody no get hurt, cause I don't want nobody get hurt in a me, you know. What they call it now? Fucked up mental aim, you know, thinking. Cause I fuck up thinking, you know, but you don't want to sell the car there to somebody. I may already pay the insurance a whole heap of money for it. So might as well the insurance just give me my money. Simple as that. So I don't mind wake up tomorrow morning and I'm here cause they're in the shop right now. Again. They're in the shop right now again. So I don't mind if they call me and tell me say catch a fire in that bumbo clad. Insurance will cover everything. Everything will get covered, right? You can't give trouble your fuck. I'm want to go buy my GLE, but I can't buy the GLE without some of the parking. Because that the kind of car that you can't have them a car they park up a roadside. You cannot have a GLE park up a roadside. I always a joke thing that. You understand? You have to have a garage for GLE, but I'm on the house market to try to find a house. But I'm not find a house yet. I don't know when. But I work on it, I work on it. But more mind if Nissan get fucked. More mind if Nissan get fucked. Which part, you know, you can't drive again, so nobody don't want it. You just mash up. More don't want the engine mash up though, because if the engine mash up, that one explode clad fuckery. Insurance now cover that. Insurance cover accident. You know, so you know thing already. But anyway, me have more hope say yo. The taps and roses is something I talk about. Me just can't understand the people. I cannot understand this taps and roses thing. When you go work, when you hard earn money and come back, I must obia night. Some obia half night. But obia can't night because me go there go watch it. I mean never put in $1 night. One time me ever send me send something them 100 kroner to what me see a man panny where them say must I get burned. Burn up. Well burn up. I mean I say rascal. How does a man survive, man? All the man knows that them take piece and body from all about and patch him up and pitch him up. So me go in there now and me feel bad. For the man. And I say, you know, I'm going to buy him, I'm going to send, I'm donate some money. But afterwards, now I start do some research and realize that the man is a millionaire. And when you donate to him don't really want it. You understand? So him give it away. So I say, oh, so him have like a charity run. But the way how him talk, that's a rascal. I just waste my money, man. Me just say suffer. I mean, I take up $9. $9 to rascal. Send go give man. And when me check it out, he never want it. I never go back on them bumbo clad there because we put $1 again because it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense because most of these people they on that blood clot, they beg. And I'm telling no one blood clotting. You see when I see sickness, I'm ready for help. When I see people they go through sickness and them need help, I'm ready for donate. Me not no problem with put money in a them something there. Sickness. But people who just learn it about, you know, them a entertain me how? And me if they say far out money and I say, yeah man, I get entertainment. Because suck your man, entertain who? If more entertainment I got a club, man. You understand? Not even dance, me not going, not even stage show, me not going. Me not have no favorite artist. The last stage show me ever go, a Sunfest. That is the last one. And that's about 15 years ago. That's about 15 years ago. 15 years. That is the last. You understand? Every time I go out, I got some concert, but I don't go see an artist. You understand? I got some place go drink and some girl bring me to some place, but the last place where me ever go, for myself, about 15 years ago, man. Sunfest. Man, you know get me, I go pay my money. You go turn up in a crowd. I look by one man and sing the same song when I play in my car for you all day. What kind of mentality is this here? You know, as something I have nothing to do with my life. The same song when I listen to in my car, 10 times better I can stop it, I can pull it up, I can, you know, play it again and again and again. When I go in our stage show, when I look on the stage show them just start singing 2 seconds, them tap and change the song. You understand? Them just like and change. And change again. I say, well, that really this a people are pay for. Yeah, you understand? Like all man like Dexter upon them man, I see them man sing out them song and wind up and girl and them something there. Yeah, I could have go. But I see don't worry about art, it's a perform. You know, they perform them song them where people can sing. They sing the song them and, you know, no sir. And them a play them song them and I move them mouth. So it don't make no sense, people. It don't make much sense. So when me look on them I say, me if you go take up my hard earned money when me work so hard for. You know, so me rather go fly go to some other country go look on what they go on there. You understand? Sleep on some nice white sheet in some hotel. Go to some fancy place, go eat good food. You understand? And walk out with belly full. And you know, enjoy life. My enjoyment is not run up and down. You know, and I praise people and I call this a man here. Oh, them on the rich my youth. Them on the no suck you man. The two of we have one life. The two of we have one life. Feel it. You understand? And if you use my life and run behind you. Hey boy, you better go on, you know. You better go on here, sir. Hey boy. People. May I tell you say, me not telling you say don't give them people and them taps and roses, but me I telling you say no idiot. Me I call no idiot. You understand? Because this don't make no sense. Oh, we don't feel there so they work so hard. And I take on hard earned money. And I dash all over the place. That don't make no sense. You know hard earned money. You know I take. And I dash it all over the place. To people who sit down in a bed. And when they see you up on the road, you not even can go close to them. You cannot even go take a picture with them. You understand? You cannot. And then you go taps and roses again. You too blood clot fool. You too fool man. But anyway, I'm gonna try to find a way and make up my my TikTok. I wanna better cut taps and roses me. I'm gonna find a way and get my TikTok up to date. I wanna better. But with that blood clot, I wanna happy taps and roses me too. You understand? And a fool, you shouldn't go out with it, you know. I wanna nah like the subscribe button. I wanna nah touch the subscribe button, man. I wanna go and like say the subscribe button have some kind of malice. Or I go do something. You understand? What the subscribe button do now? I don't understand that then. Only over there take out money out of the pocket. See? And a taps and roses people. And it's subscribe button over here so not trouble no now, you know, do no nothing at all. And you don't have to pay if you touch it. All you have to do is just touch it. That alone. And it done. I don't know how to tell me so you can't touch that. You know wicked man. You know wicked. You know blood clot wicked too. You know most can say no, we touch it. You know? The subscribe button over there so cause we don't pay for. But you know gone over taps and roses gone blood clot. Take out the money out of the pocket. Real money, you know. But them work hard for, you know. And when them done, they can't pay them bill. But everybody has said, no man, you know see the big lion what the man dropped last night, man. I even drop it, you know, the man they have money. I'm just left with name. I'm just left with name, you understand? Come like me feel like something dry down in my throat. I want to go on the way, so. I want them people there so with flag I do. I want them to do with flag in the road. What is that? Some people don't go with flag in it. Like them a protest. But no reach and people them protest different, you know. You know see them? Them protest different, you know. Them protest now and wear with part. You want to laugh. Anyway, people, big up on yourself. Bless up on yourself. Remember to like and subscribe and taps and roses. On a must camp. No, you don't have no excuse. No, you don't have any excuse. You can subscribe now. Cause it not cost you no money. This is not taps and roses. This is subscribe. Give thanks. Big up on yourself. Bless up on yourself. We gone.